Very good.
Is it here? Look here, Daddy.
What?
This one, is it here?
Here. Put it here. There.
Why? Why, Daddy?
So that we can carry something.
From toys?
No.
From tools?
Yes.
Wow! Why? Why, Daddy?
Here.
Then here?
Yes. Excuse me, you go down.
Daddy, I will put the toy there. And put this. Don't bring this over, huh?
Okay.
Because I will cry.
Why you will cry?
Because I miss this.
So eto guys, ikakabit ko na siya kasi ngayong pasukan, ihahatid ko na si Caleb sa school using my motorbike. Kaya ito, natapos ko nang i-install and so far so good naman. Nagustuhan ko yung design niya kasi hindi siya masyadong halata na naka-bracket. Ayan. Very sturdy naman yung design and well supported siya. By the way, ito yung pinaka-main support niya. Yan. So, connected siya sa main chassis and then bolted yan. So far, so good.